that you've bought QPulse, you need to decide how it should be implemented and used within your organisation. To help you, Gale's highly trained QPulse consultants will guide you through the process of integrating QPulse seamlessly into your organisation. The simple tasks explained in this series of Preparing for QPulse and Consultants videos will give you a better understanding of your QPulse project and help you gain maximum benefit from your time with consultants. In this first video, we explain the general tasks you should perform once you've purchased QPulse, but before the consultant's first visit. The rest of the videos explain what you should prepare before each consultancy visit. To help you with your QPulse project, you must appoint key users. These people must have time free to perform their role and attend consultancy days. The project manager is responsible for overseeing the entire QPulse project. This will include liaising with management, IT, and other key users to ensure everyone performs the tasks required of them. The QPulse administrator will need to know the system in detail. They will be responsible for setting up users, messaging, managed lists, and other key features, as well as the day-to-day running of the system once implemented. The administrator should be experienced with both computers and your organisation. In addition, they'll be required to deal with inquiries from other key QPulse users, such as auditors and document controllers. Trainers will receive in-depth training from the consultant, which they can then pass on to other QPulse users. While the Gale Academy covers most of the day-to-day training your users will need, you should still appoint at least one trainer who can answer any questions about QPulse, particularly those relating to your own organisation. You should also appoint users to act as champions or module experts. These people will help you roll out QPulse by learning about specific areas of the system, then providing support and advice to everyday users of QPulse. Finally, you'll need a person from your IT department. This person will mainly be involved in the installation of QPulse, so will require expertise in a Windows and SQL Server environment. After installation, they must also be able to resolve server issues and perform backups. The number of each type of user will depend on the size of your organisation, although in smaller organisations, an individual may be able to perform more than one role. Of course, the success of your QPulse project will depend greatly on your end users, as these are the people who will be adding and managing the information critical for compliance and improvement in your organisation. Therefore, you must inform your staff in advance about QPulse. This should include why you've purchased it, how it is to be rolled out, and what they need to do to contribute to its success. This will be different for every organisation. Your project manager or other key user should take responsibility for informing all users about the upcoming changes. This can be done in a variety of ways, including emails, posts on your intranet site, or displaying information on notice boards and company televisions. Another way to inform users is through the Academy. As you currently have Academy access, you should start adding users to it. As well as courses on QPulse, you'll find courses on the principles of quality, document control, handling issues and improvements, and auditing. Assigning Academy access early on is a great way to introduce the concepts of quality and online learning to your members before they actually need to use QPulse. To access the Academy, every user will need an email address where they can receive their password, as well as speakers or headphones to listen to the courses. Once you've added your users, you should assign some of the basic courses to their training plan. There are three main types of consultancy days. During the configuration review, the consultant will discuss the key points of the QPulse project. This includes understanding your objectives and key requirements, and then planning who will do what and when. During the configuration implementation, the consultancy will help you configure the system to suit your own needs and terminology, as well as set up security, messaging, and other key features. And finally, During the training day, the consultant will train your key staff on the areas of the system which you're planning to use. In this video, we've learned what you need to do once you've purchased QPulse and before the consultant's first visit, including appointing key users, informing your staff, and providing access to the Academy. When you're ready, you can begin watching the videos, which explain how to prepare for each type of consultancy day.